Okay, and here's another video I promised about taking out a broken stud that's below the surface. You see? It's below the surface here. What you're gonna need is you're gonna need some kind of a punch. All right, you're gonna need a drill bit, and you're gonna need something they call an easy out. A screw extractor. Okay, it's somewhere. Oh, here it is. Hold on. That's what it looks like. Let me take it off. Basically, it's like this, and it has like little. It's tapered, and it has little grooves on each side. So when you hammer it in the hole, it grabs on the material, like right here. It grabs. You hammer in the hole. It grabs on the screw, and she gets them out. First thing you're going to do is I drilled the hole, but the first thing you're going to do is try to get your center punch, and you want to put it center. That's the hardest part of this whole thing, is putting it center on the broken stud. You don't want it off to the side, because when you start drilling, you don't want to drill into the threads as you're drilling into the broken stud. So you want it in the center as possible. And once you get a center mark, you're going to start drilling. All right, you're gonna drill about, ideally you wanna drill like, I would say, here's the drill bit, about a ½ inch in there. You wanna get good meat, a little bit ½ inch deep. The deeper you go, the better, but don't go too deep. You know, you can judge by the other hole, how deep the other hole is, and you wanna go like 3/4 of the way on this one, right? Then once the hole is drilled, you take your easy out or extractor. They come in different sizes, so according to how thick the stud is that's broken, you hit it with a hammer, nice couple of shots. Okay. And you could put a little bit of heat if you wanted to, but I wouldn't, because there's really nothing to heat up. You don't want to heat up the head, right? And then let's see if this one's gonna go with holding the camera. Hard to hold it and see if it's gonna. Okay, here we go. You see? Simple as that. Now you could do this in the car if you have the room. You know, most people, you would probably do this in the car. I had my other video where I showed you where it was sticking out already, and we just heated it up a little bit and used a lock wrench. But this one, you see how it comes right out. And there you go. All right, you see, I probably drilled it in about a ½ inch, a little bit more than halfway. And now your hole, you're out, now you're good to go. And that's it. All right, so basically you get these, I can put a link, and it even tells you what kind of drill bit to use. This says 1/8 of an inch drill bit to get the proper grip on the screw extractor. They usually call them easy outs, or screw extractor is probably the proper name. All right, guys, Motor Car Nut 2020. Another little helpful video, hopefully. Please subscribe. I'm gonna have a whole bunch of videos coming. All right, guys. See you, guys and girls, of course. Take care. See you in the next video.